Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Vision of the Divine Cosmic Form. Chapter 11, Shloka 39 and 40. You are the Vayu, Yama, Agni, Varuna, the moon, Prajapati, and the great grandfather of all. Salutations, salutations unto you 1,000 times, and again salutations unto you.
Chapter 11, Shloka 39. Vayuryamognirvarunasya shankah prajapatistvam prapitamahascha namo namastestu sakasrakritvah punascha bhuyopi namo namaste.
Salutations to you before and behind. Salutations to you on every side. O all, you, infinite in power and infinite in prowess, pervade all. Wherefore you are the all.
Chapter 11, Shloka 40. Namah purastat adaprishtataste namostu te sarvata eva sarva anantaviryamita vikramasvam sarvam samapnoshi tatosi sarvah.
Chapter 11, Shloka 39 and 40. So far, Arjuna was chanting the glories of the Lord in his transcendental form. In the Vedic period, Vayu, wind, Yama, death, Agni, fire, Varuna, water, Shashank, moon, and Prajapati, creator, were considered deities for reverence and devotion, concentration and growth of the seeker's inner personality. They were the concepts of God. Arjuna points out the infinite, the source of all potentialities, as nothing other than Krishna, the infinite. Hence, the Supreme Lord, expressing through various functions himself, plays the part of these deities. Shloka 40. The Supreme dwells everywhere, within, without, above, below, and around, and there is no place where he is not. The Lord is not only the all-pervading essence like space in the universe, but is also the womb from which all power and daring flow out. Wherever there is reason to act or a capacity to act, it is bright spark of his infinite potentiality. The Supreme as pure existence dwells everywhere, in everything, and in all beings. Since nothing can exist without existence, he as pure existence penetrates all, and he, in fact, he alone is the all. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.